fresh, modern, and ready for you. Unit G at 389 North Main Street in Martinsville, Indiana, has been meticulously updated to meet the needs of the modern renter. Featuring brand new kitchen appliances and a sleek contemporary aesthetic, this one-bedroom and one-bathroom unit proves you don't have to sacrifice style for a great price. As part of the building's complete top-to-bottom renovation, Unit G is now under the professional leadership of Red Door Property Management. This pet-friendly unit is the perfect choice for those seeking a new build feel and high-end finishes within a smart, budget-friendly footprint. Top features: modern upgrades, fully equipped with brand new appliances and updated fixtures from the recent renovation. Smart and efficient. One of our most efficient layouts, designed for high appeal and modern living. Incredible value. Enjoy the luxury of a fully renovated property at a price that fits your budget. Professional management. New oversight by Red Door ensures a high-quality, professional rental experience.